Haley. Look. Haley. You open the door. You can go in there. This is your new playhouse. Can I have a milkshake, please?
Daddy.
Extra strawberries.
Pretty fancy, huh?
The ring toss is hard.
You throw the ball at the thing? Get it, look.
It's kind of hard to pull off. She might not be able to pull it off.
Haley.
Haley, why don't you ask Daddy to take you down the slide? Hi! Oh! You tripped!
Mommy, where's my soft floor?
We haven't brought that out here yet. Haley. Take her down the slide.
Alright, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Haley. Come here. Come on, give me your other hand. Nope. Hey. Come here.
Start her sliding her down.
I'll hold you. Hey, Haley, you gotta look forward.
Whee!
Just get a poopy diaper.
You poopied? You got so excited you poopied?
No.
Wrong way.
No. 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 I gotta walk around.